Alexa, what's the weather in Port Angeles, Washington?
Right now in Port Angeles, Washington, it's 46 degrees with cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has showers with a low of 40 degrees.
We are heading to Victoria for the first time. So come with us, okay? We'll see you guys later. We are at Port Angeles right now because tomorrow we will be heading to Victoria. So tomorrow's vlog will be about Victoria. So please come along with us and we'll show you guys around. So right now, let me show you where we are at. We are at the Coco Pelli Grill. Alright.
Same.
You know the drill already.
You know the drill, cuz. You know, we're back in it again, cuz. You know, back at it again.
Right, room tour.
Right, home tour.
Hello, it's me. Hello. Room tour. Right, so that's the entryway door. Bam. Oh wow. Today. And this is the bathroom. Wow. Bathtub. Closet with the iron board and the iron. Bam! And we have this humongous TV right here with Donald Trump on it. Come on, Donald Trump. What are you doing?
That's how that was. In.
How about the remote?
Yeah.
We are ready and set for tonight.
Oh my god.
We're
guys,
gonna get
they're
some.
looking at us
Are you serious?
Just kidding.
Oh shucks. We are ready for tomorrow. We'll be in Victoria, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.
What's up, guys? So we're here at Safeway. We just grabbed some coffee and we're heading to Port Angeles. The time is 7:10 and try look, it's still dark and it's drizzling. Oh my god. So my squad is right there. You couldn't see them. I just go first in the car so I could open the car.
So international crossing. Requirements on entry into Canada. First time in Canada. Samok. Victoria and Vancouver.
on it.
Bam! Excited much?
Excited.
We are waiting for our turn to go inside the ferry.
Baby.
We're gonna bring our car. Just a documentation. We brought our car. Our car, my own car. Like, our car had traveled so many places already. Hawaii, Washington, now Canada, and also Oregon. I love my car. My little car. Going to Victoria. This is our is it our last hurrah for the year or there's one more?
It has to be one more.
Yeah, I think this is the second to the last. Before the year ends, so
Bye 2000.
come with us. We'll show you guys around.
noisy in here. So we're about to go to our car and British Columbia, Victoria arrived.
Oh my god, here we go! Yes! Oh, they are kilometers, not miles.
Turn right onto Belleville Street. In half a mile, continue on Blanchard Street.
We're at John's place eating a little bit of brunch with friends. ABC, here we come.
We are at the Parliament building right now, and in front of me is Queen Victoria, and the back is the massive building. It has a very nice architectural work. Alright, on to the next stop. Alright.
I will love you forever.
This dog is like, oh, it's a monkey.
It's a monkey!
Oh, Audie.
You're so mean.
No, the dog is Audie.
Hello! Yeah, afternoon tea. Tea time! This Christmas tree inside. Yeah. Guys, this is what I want to experience next. I want to go on an afternoon tea time. Look, oh, this is so nice. Look, so pretty and beautiful. Gingerbread house. Oh my god, it's the one you like. I know it. Look, it's matching my t-shirt, my sweatshirt.
So we just finished miniature work. What can you say?
Wow!
Wow, it's raining. Guys, where are we?
At the oldest Chinatown in Canada.
Alright. And it's raining.
We got hungry again, so we're gonna eat something with rice. Hello! Welcome to my castle. My castle. We are in a castle right now. I think it's called Craig. How do you call this, Chris? Craigarote. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. The doorknob. So let's go right in.
Let's go. I need to be careful, yeah?
Hello. It's my turn. What to do?
These are MasterCard.
Hi folks, so I'm the quick introduction and John was talking about. So just a few things on navigation here. For all 4 floors, you should start on your right and work your way anti-clockwise through the rooms. And when you're ready to come back down on the top floor, there's going to be a staircase to your left that will take you back down to the exit. And on housekeeping as well, we ask that you don't touch anything, even the woodwork, because it is very easily damaged.
Screaming at the crazy love.
Well, you could eat some fruits over here.
The meat is waiting for us to sit down and
Probably look that fancy, huh? The maid is no head. There's no head.
Oh, you like melon grapes?
Dang. So if you wanna come here to eat here, just bring your food, okay?
Wow.
So this is this is one of my room, guys. This is the Snapchat time where we do Snapchat, you know, like selfie and stuff. So right now it's kind of messy because our maid is the other side of the room. We'll check it out. This is my neighborhood, okay? That's a new built house. It's not a castle, but it's a house. So we are here at the main bedroom. This is the, I don't know who she is. She is the Donmus home, the 6th daughter of Robert, okay? Which is, her name is, what's her name, man? Sophia. So Sophia is this girl right here, and this is her room. Okay. Oh man, this is so cool. This is our audio-visual room. Nobody's in here.
Craig Darrow was designed by Oregon architects Warren H. Williams and Arthur L. Smith and completed in 1890. It was built for Robert and John Dunsmore, early Scottish colonists, but Robert died before the house was finished, and John moved in with 3 daughters and 2 orphaned grandchildren in the fall of 1890. The story of the Dunsmore family and their rise from humble beginnings to the pinnacle of wealth and power in Western Canada is a complex and fascinating.
Man, they have like billiards in here with the use of tomatoes. Oh man, and they have like tea party as well. They have like food as well as they have like telescope back in the days. It's not focusing. Man, as you can see, they have like telescopes. That's crazy. Oh, this room right here, wow, so fancy. This is the main bedroom. They have like fancy fireplace. And try to look at this room. Decent size.
But you know what? One thing, I mean, I like castles, but I did not know inside of it is really dark. Like, it's just sad, you know? Like, it's dark. The walls are dark. Like, although I'm not happy every day, but I mean, I want like something white on the wall, something bright.
Mini porch thing. You could see from the neighborhood, but you couldn't really.
Nice.
This is the dance hall. So here we dance like December. Oh, they have like a piano before. Yeah. It's so loud, guys. Man, if I have a house, I'll buy a piano. The watchtower. So if somebody will attack your castle, you can see some like, you know. Wow. Is this a door? Yeah. So we're on top of the castle.
Victoria Butcher Garden. It's very
Christmas.
Guys, it's very Christmassy. Christmassy. Is that even a word? Okay, let's go. Cold. I feel like it's 30 degrees.
It's snowing here.
I think it's just 40.
Oh, wow.
I think it's just 40. Oh my god, I'm so blessed to be here. It's really like, I feel like it's really Christmas.
A carousel. This guy right here for Audie.
Oh my goodness,
I'll catch here so I could catch. Oh my god, it starts moving. Audie! Stop Snapchatting! Yes! Woohoo! Right! $2 for $2. Whoa, what? That's a big cake. Turn left, and then turn right, and who cares?
Our second hotel. Wow.
Wow, so clean.
I know, right? Alright, so this is our room in Victoria, Canada. 2 queen beds. Bam. TV. Desk. Right there. And then bathroom. Let me show you. So this is the bathroom. Hi, that's me right there. Sorry, my hair is a mess. Toilet and the shower. So, we are checked in at the 4 Points Hotel by Sheraton. 4 Points Hotel by Sheraton. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, guys, and we are about to leave here, and we're heading to the port to catch the ferry going back to Seattle. Just want to share about this awesome bathroom of 4 Points. They have like 8 sinks, man. That's a lot. 8 sinks in one man's bathroom, and the urinal like 5. Dang. They have 3 stools, or they call. But dang, this is huge. This is very huge bathroom.
53 degrees, bruh.
Oh my god.
We're going back to the United States of A.
American.
We're done with the Victoria, BC.
Canada.
Canada. Our car, so it's cheaper that way. I hope you guys enjoy our travel vlog and come eat with me
Because she's a foodie.